Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to order layers on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are. So let's first drag our clips or our materials right here so that we can order our layers. So as you can see, we have a video file and we have a photo right here. And from here, we're gonna go and extract the audio for this one so that we can use the audio file right here. So now we also have audio. So it's very simple on how you can order layers right here. So let's just shorten this because this clip is too long. Let's just split it right here. Split. And after that, let's go and arrange the layers right here. So you can do it like this. As you can see, you can just simply drag your clips right here if you want to rearrange your clips right here so that you can change the sequence of your video. You can do it like this one. Can do it like this. For the audio one, you can't drag it here because it's an audio. You won't be able to do this right here. And you can also add text right here, default text, and you can put the default text below the video right here, nor you can just do it like this one or do it like this. You can put it right here. Default text or the text files right here, text one is always on top of everything right here. So yeah, that is basically how you order layers in CapCut PC. I hope this video helped you out.